Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see everything you need to know about Tesla application. If you have Tesla car, so might be this video is important for you. We will see detailed information related on Tesla app, how to use, how many features and how many advantages available on this application. From scratch, I will show you how to use the Tesla application and improve your day-to-day lifestyle with Tesla car. So now let's start. My iPhone screen is here. We can just simply enter here the app store. I just simply show it to you from the download perspective as well. Just simply press here the Tesla application is showing here. First time user is might be more helpful for, and you need to create here own account. So you purchase your Tesla car, that time the Tesla showroom man can create own account front of them. So you should create your own account with the help of your Gmail ID or mobile number as well. So you just simply click here the create account and provide here the destination of which country you are leaving accordingly. I leave simply in a Denmark. Which language you are using here in the Danish, first name last name you should type and then say next. Afterwards you should provide the email address and password and your account is successfully created. After creating the account, you need to sign in the application. So signing point of view, you need to add here the email address. So I add here my email address and simply say next. You need to provide here the password as well. After clicking the password, here the Tesla are very secure, provide the two-step authentication like email address or mobile number during the register. That time I provided those two things. So I just simply select here my email address and two-step OTP I am receiving on my email address. Within a second you are receiving the OTP and just simply provide here the OTP as well. You need to provide the physical number, that would be more helpful for you. Afterwards your Tesla car is displaying here entire information. My Tesla car name is a Singh. You want add, I have Tesla Model 3, I can add Y as well. Battery percentage size is also showing top of the screen. One of the important parts come here. If you're receiving some messages or any mistakes in your Tesla car, so the pop-up is automatically displaying here and you can see any update happen in your account related or car related, all messages are displaying here. And the top of the screen 3 line is showing. Inside the 3 lines your all detail menu chart is displaying here. Your account, inside the account personal information, you can add the photo as well in your profile picture. Previously this feature is not available, that's why I am not added this picture. The feature is available here. Personal information, notification, wallet. Inside the wallet you can add here your credit card, debit card. So during the charging time the money automatically deduct in your online wallet as well. So here is a wallet perspective, credit card, debit card, add charging card is also available. Order number, order history. So here no order history yet. Security and privacy, driver profile, you should add here driver profile as well. Uploading the license as well. And one of the important points come here, if you are IT employee you can synchronize your calendar as well here. So you can very easily check pop-up, meeting related pop-up in your Tesla car during the driving from home to office as well. So you can save much more time here. My product related information is showing here. Get the product, documents and VIN number you can very easily check from here. It's easy. Access the support. So here the ask the question, you can ask them. This is the Tesla assistant. So like in a Grok, and you can just simply ask the question and the Tesla assistant provide you the information as a runtime very fast way. Some basic question, owner transfer, account support, Tesla app, referral program. If you want purchase new Tesla car, use my referral link is available on video description. Go back here, the basic information is here. Sometimes you can see here lock, fan, charging and trunk open from this one. How to open back trunk, this feature is not showing here. So you can just simply press here the last one, trunk open, press long and rest of features is displaying here. Which features you want, like accordingly you should select and simply open this one. I just simply say here drag and drop. So this feature is going there. Again I just simply change this fan one. Look at this here, this feature is coming here. If I tap here, so this feature is automatically updated. Those 4 features you should change pressing long in last one, and afterward you can add very easily this features using this customized drag and drop features. That one is really important. If you open here the trunk, so this application are showing you the trunk is open. Wait couple of seconds. So look at this, the trunk is open here. You can close the trunk via clicking this button. Same as it is rest of thing, you can unlock your Tesla car. My Tesla car is outside the house in the parking, but still I can unlock my car from here as well. This is the really amazing. You can add the features here. Release update related features you can receive here. What's going on, this is one 2020-26-861 update. Mirror fix, and previously Tesla photo booth, I already make a photo booth. This one is really impressive and you should download this photo. They are providing here separate option. Accordingly here you can manage your entire air control. You can hit generate the heat as well. You just simply press here and the heating is a start from here. You can click and just simply on entire Tesla car hot before you drive. If you're living in Europe and US cold weather, so this feature is might be much more helpful for you. Next one is a location. Where is your Tesla car you park? Accordingly you should very easily find out using this location. Currently I am living here, and where is my Tesla car? So you can follow this map. That would be really impressive. So sometimes the parking space is like a 5,000 3,000 car parking and you totally forget where I park my car. So using these features you can very easily reach your Tesla car. With next thing, your charging option is available. So here the charging option, I always select my charging limit is 100%, and here the charging 16A, I almost use this one by default. Look at this here, Earth Day is 22 April is already completed. That day I am not charged, I am not consuming electricity. So this is the advantage of this one. Find the charger, you can very easily. So how much kilometer from here to charging station of my is 1 kilometer, and this is the super charging station. If I tap here, so what is the price of the charging cost right now in per kilowatt? So here the prices is also showing here in the different time to different prices is also available. Right now is price going on 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. 3.80 Danish krona per kilowatt. But if I go here like a night 12 o'clock to 4 a.m. in between 1.5. If I go 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. I always use 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. time slot. You can say here charging status, the price, how much I'm paying. So like yearly perspective, last April to May, I am paying here total spending 3,110 Danish krona. Entire 1 year I am paying this one. If you have gasoline car, so this number going to like a 10,000 DKK. So compared to gasoline, this one is very affordable. Here the prices, graphics, per kilowatt, supercharging, all the information is available here. You can very easily check out. Charging schedule, if you have the company charging port free of cost, like a specific this time to this time, or during the home charging also sometimes is free. So you can set the as a schedule perspective, like here Monday to Friday 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock my charging is a start automatically if you connect the your charging cable in your car. So this is the very helpful for everyone. Manage payment management perspective, here the Tesla you need to add here your credit card, debit card, payment billing address is showing here. You can very easily check here, and look at this here last time. So I'm charged like a 46 kilowatt, so I'm spending here 88 Danish krona. So here the all detail is showing, even the where I'm charging, the invoice is also displaying here. Look at this here. Afterward here the set schedule. So as I say, like a charging schedule, light show or prediction. Light show is one of the amazing features introducing by Tesla. You can schedule this one as well. Security and driver perspective, here the dash cam viewer, but that perspective you need to upgrade your Tesla subscription. So if I want to upgrade the subscription as a premium connectivity, so I need to pay 99 Danish krona. Afterwards I can very easily see the all types of features like a Netflix, YouTube without connect mobile data. I can watch with the help of 99 premium connectivity, and dash cam also I can check here in my Tesla application. Sanitary mode, always my personal experience, you should disable the sanitary mode. Next one is a vault mode, I disable. Speed limit, no need to provide the speed limit as my personal experience, because of currently I'm living here in European country, everywhere is limit speed is available, so my brain automatically track the speed and I am not speed up my car. Always I follow each and every rule. Driving, the pin code of particular driver, some people are using like a selling driving selling point of view, that's why you just simply provide anyone can the pin and someone can very easily access your Tesla car and enjoy the features. Add driver, you should add extra driver, so you can add here properly. Phone key best practices, I already connected the phone key. You can add your key card and then active your Tesla car. So this is my Tesla car and I just simply come to the closer of the Tesla car, and first of all I need to enter the Tesla car and provide this key card. So look at this here, here is my Tesla car key card and I need to put it this Tesla key card here. So look at this, afterwards the key card is activated. Now it's easy, using this process you can very easily activate. So set up Bluetooth audio as well, you can set up Bluetooth audio from Tesla car to your mobile phone as well. So this is the simple process, everything know about the Tesla application for your Tesla car. If you have any question related on your Tesla car or Tesla application, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.